Yeah, man, we getting back in the groove of things, man. We getting back in the grooves. We getting back in the groove, man. Little injuries happen, man. Injuries happen. So today, since I can't do no lower body stuff right now, do a nice little back day, get a back pumping. Nothing like a back day. Back day is my favorite day to train, I ain't gonna lie to you. So we're gonna start off with a chest up with a T-bar rows. Do some sets, maybe sets of 10 right here. But we gonna keep it light. Quality movements, that's it. Quality movements over weight.
So this last week, I've been taking time to really think to myself and really reevaluate what's going to happen with my powerlifting career, with my fitness career, and things of that nature. And I'm just sitting back and thinking and looking at other athletes that I've looked up to in the past, whether it's the Kobe Bryants, the Michael Jordans, the Mike Tysons, the Ali's, the Roy Jones, and I'm seeing they all had some type of injury at some point. They all had times when they had to fight uphill at some point. They all had times when they were down. People may have doubted them at some point in their career, but every time they always fought back. They always fought back. It was never a time that they just didn't fight. Now, mentally, I don't know what they had going on in their head mentally. I'm sure they had doubt in their head. I'm sure they were kind of questioning things. I'm sure every time they woke up in the morning and they felt that pain from that injury that I'm feeling, they had a little bit of doubt in their head, but they kept going and they kept pushing. And that's what I needed, man. I kind of needed a week to kind of get my mind right, get my thoughts together, and get back motivated. And I'm ready to lock in. I'm hyped. I have a plan as far as coaching in the future, as far as me getting a coach and me getting guidance. Now, even though I still coach and I still train people, everybody needs guidance at some point. Every teacher needs a teacher. The best teachers are the best students. So I'm looking forward to learning from my new coach and getting everything I can from him. This way, I can prolong my career as a powerlifter. I'm 37 years old, and I honestly don't feel old at all. I know a lot of youngins out here call me Unc and things of that nature, but I don't feel old, man. I still feel young. And this injury is just a small setback for a major comeback. And it's all about practicing what you preach. It's all about walking how you talking. So I can't be one of these guys trying to motivate you, but then something small happened to me, and now I'm acting like a little punk and I can't get back right. And I'm mentally all messed up. Nah, man, we got to keep it going, man. We got to keep it going. So the plan is to start with my new coach in probably mid-September. Give my abductor a little bit more time to heal up slightly. And on top of that, I'm going to continue to get my diet right. I'm going to continue to train. I'm going to continue to train bench press crazy. Continue to train these shoulders crazy. Because we're not done. And I still want that 500-pound bench press in competition. And it's most definitely there. And I know the next time I'm on that platform, I'm going to get it. And I promise y'all, I can guarantee that. I can guarantee I will get it in my next competition. Whether it's next year or whenever it is, we're going to get it. And we're going to PR the total. We're going to PR everything, man. I'm going to show y'all that you can bounce back. I'm going to show y'all nothing is impossible. It's all good. You know, you can fall with 700 pounds on your back at the biggest meet in powerlifting. You can do it and still come back and continue to be one of the best powerlifters in the world. So Kilo Nellz, I'm signing out. Like, subscribe, comment, and appreciate everybody who's DM'd me on Instagram about the injury, checking on me. Much love, man. Appreciate y'all, man. But, you know, I'm not going to dwell on it too long. It's time to keep going forward. It's time to keep pushing. Now let's get it. All right? Peace.